yes, definitely time to invest in a scanner. This is just a little too difficult. And then at the far right, last column, it says fees. So let's hit done. I'm at my manage active listings. So let's click on listings and go to my drafts. And there they are. Everything was added into my draft bank. So now individually I will go through. I will have to set the price. I want to change, I got to add the SKU number, and I also want to set a shipping price. But everything is in your draft bank there. It looks like it was pretty effective. I know the mobile phone made it a little odd. It was hard to see some of the stuff. Maybe I'll do another video once I get some time to play with it more on the desktop so you can see it a little bit more clearly. But yeah, I kind of like this. So basically now we can open this up, resume draft, and I can individually go in here and touch up whatever I like. Add more photos. I could even change the title.